welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create learning routines in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create routines in Notion, then all you gotta do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, you can simply build a custom system using a database to track your schedules and materials, or you can use one of the many available templates. A database-centered approach provides robust filtering, linking, and progress tracking capabilities. You can simply build a custom system yourself, or you can also use the templates that are already pre-built. You can simply create a new page and give it a third title like Learning Hub. Once you've created this, you can simply type the database and select what you want to add in that particular docs. You can simply do it and name the database learning task and add the following properties like task, routine names, due date, status, subjects, and priorities. After you have done this, you will be able to create learning routines in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.